In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resign on Darwinbox. To begin your resignation, first log into your company's Darwinbox portal using your employee credentials. Once you're logged in, head to your profile by clicking on your name or profile icon. This is usually located at the top right of the home page. From there, locate the employee lifecycle section within your profile or dashboard. Depending on how your company configures it, you might also see many options like separation or suspension that lead to resignation workflows, as you can see in this site. Once you've navigated to the relevant section, click on New Request under Separation or Suspension to launch the resignation form. This form typically contains fields like date of resignation, which sets the start of your notice period based on your company's policy. You'll also need to select a reason for leaving. Common options include career advancement, better pay, or personal reasons, and you may have the option to request a different final working day if you need it to be earlier than the standard notice period. Some organizations allow attachments in the resignation form if your situation requires it. For example, you're joining another job with a fixed start date or have documentation to support your request. You can upload relevant files here. There's often also a section dealing with asset recovery or clearance, but that part is generally managed by HR unless your company specifies otherwise. Before submitting, make sure you've carefully reviewed the details, your proposed resignation date, reason, and any supporting documents. Once it's all set, click the Submit button to officially send your resignation request through the system. After submission, your request follows a structured approval path. It first goes to your line manager, who will approve or reject it. If approved, it moves to HR or the designated admin for final sign off. You'll get updates on your request status through notifications or within the Darwinbox dashboard. Just revisit the same employee lifecycle or separation section to see if it's pending, approved, or requires further action. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.